Huawei Mate 20 Pro on render with 4 cameras. Looks weird. Do you remember the premiere of the Huawei P20 Pro, when many people were surprised at the third camera? Now there is a video on the network that demonstrates the conceptual appearance Huawei Mate 20, which, according to concept creator, will receive 4 cameras. 3 cameras, it's a lot, and 4, it's too much. After the release of Huawei flagship model, the network has a lot of jokes about the upcoming smartphones. His own 3 copecs are applied, even XIAOMI, showing the Model Mi A1 with 6 cameras. Users created their own versions of new devices. Although the premiere of Huawei Mate 20, or how this phone will be called, is expected for the 4th quarter of this year, guesses on its subject appear now. According to the concept, the Mate 20 will receive very thin frames on the sides and a little more at the top and bottom of the screen. Behind the Huawei Mate 20 Pro were 4 cameras with LED flash. At the edges were power buttons, volume, and most likely, a physical button to release the camera shutter. By the way, I'm surprised that manufacturers do not dare to such a decision. 3.5mm audio input is not present, and the USB-C connector is responsible for connection and charging. According to designers, there may be several options for color solutions: gray, red, blue, and turquoise. You can notice that the fingerprint scanner is under the display. Of course, as I mentioned in the beginning, this is only a conceptual graphic with the image of Huawei Mate 20 Pro 2018. Wait and see what will be the next flagship from the company.